Okay, today we're going to learn how to prepare some YPD and also pour some plates.
Yeast!
How to make 400 milliliters of YPD Agar. You will need 4 grams of yeast extract, 8 grams of bacterial peptone, 8 grams of glucose, 6.4 grams of agar, 400 milliliters of water, antibiotic, an autoclave, some autoclave tape, a Bunsen burner, scales, 90mm Petri dish, heat-resistant flask or bottle.
This recipe calls for 4 grams of yeast extract, so let's start with that.
4 grams of yeast extract!
The next thing is the bacterial peptone.
8 grams of bacterial peptone!
Next, the glucose, and again, 8 grams.
8 grams of glucose!
I'm going to use 6.4 grams of agar.
6.4 grams of agar!
I've measured 400 mils of water here in a suitable measuring flask. And again, I'm just going to carefully add this to the dry ingredients.
Science-tacular!
We're ready to put our YPD in the autoclave to sterilize it. And I'm going to add a little bit of this autoclave tape, which should change colour once it's been successfully autoclaved, and you'll be able to see that it's nice and sterile.
Apply autoclave tape!
Make sure that the lid of your bottle is slightly loosened so any steam and pressure buildup can get out, otherwise you're going to make your bottle explode while it's in the autoclave.
Loosen lid!
Place the bottle in the autoclave. Make sure the lid is on and press go.
Sterilize in autoclave!
It's a little bit too hot at the moment to add anything else like antibiotics or supplements, so I'm going to set it on the desk and leave it for 15 minutes or so just to cool down enough.
Leave to cool!
Switch on the Bunsen burner.
Bang!
I'm going to turn the flame up to our higher power, and this is going to create an updraft that should stop any contaminants getting into our agar.
Turn up flame!
Remove the lid of the agar and add in our antibiotics.
Slow motion swirl!
I'm using plastic 90mm Petri dishes today, and it's simply a case of carefully and slowly, so as to avoid getting any bubbles in, pouring the agar into the plate until it's about half full.
Pour agar slowly!
It's a really great idea to try and do this on a flat surface, so you've got a nice level agar dish, and this is going to be useful for future applications.
Unbelievable.
Yeast!